The majority of employers right now are doing criminal background checks for applicants. What they're doing is they're requesting their records, often from the state DOJ, the Department of Justice, which maintains all of the arrest records. So we're talking about things that people might not necessarily know are on their record because maybe they didn't lead to a conviction. Maybe they never even led to charges. But if you get arrested, that data is included on your quote unquote rap sheet. We think it is incredibly beneficial for folks to know ahead of time what is on their record, and if there are steps that they can take to make changes, then we want to help them make those changes. It's a particularly difficult time for folks that have those records when they're being evaluated up front for employment. Legal Action oversees a network of volunteer lawyers that participate and volunteer in clinics where we do a criminal records review for clients that are registered to attend. We are holding these clinics at the Urban League of Greater Madison. What we're doing is we're requesting criminal arrest records directly from the agency that maintains those records in Wisconsin. We're reviewing those records with the client for three things primarily: for offenses that are eligible for expungement, which is removal from the court database, from the online system, expunging them from the record. We're also looking for arrest records, which may not have led to a conviction, but are nonetheless on their criminal arrest record, which may be eligible for removal. So it's a distinction, but it's an important distinction because oftentimes those records are the ones that employers are looking at when doing a background check. The third thing that we're looking for are inaccuracies in the criminal arrest record, whether that's an incorrect charge, incorrect severity of the charge. Those inaccuracies can be changed through the administrative process simply by making a request. I think it's really important for young lawyers to be doing this work because a lot of folks don't necessarily get that face-to-face time with clients. It's not something that people teach in law school. It's a skill that I think is invaluable to us. It offers perspective into how records are affecting some of the most marginalized community members, and I think that also kind of builds itself into a well-rounded professional to know what folks are facing in the area that you're living in. This is one of our more popular projects for folks to volunteer for because it's time limited. And I think volunteers, we want to be respectful of their time. We understand and appreciate the contributions that they're making, and we want to let them know upfront what it is that they're taking on. So this is a limited scope opportunity. We sign the limited scope retainer with the client. They're there to just do the records review, provide the summary, and if there are any issues that need to be followed up on, Legal Action will take the lead on that. If folks are interested, they can go to the Urban League of Greater Madison's website. There is a link on there for events, and any of the upcoming clinics will be included on there once we schedule them. And there's a link to provide your contact information should folks want to get involved.